Unlock the secrets of your local real estate market by mastering Redfin's recently sold data. First, head over to redfin.com and enter the address or neighborhood you're interested in analyzing in the search bar. Once the map loads, click on the Filters button located above the property listings. In the Filters menu, scroll down to Property Type and select Sold. Next, specify the date range you want to examine. I recommend starting with the last 3 to 6 months for a good overview of recent market activity. Now, the map will display only recently sold properties. Click on any property icon to view its details. Pay close attention to the sale price, property features like square footage and number of bedrooms, and the sale date. Analyze several comparable properties to identify trends. Are sale prices generally increasing or decreasing? How does the price per square foot compare between different homes? Consider factors like lot size, renovations, and location. By comparing these recently sold properties, you can gain a clearer understanding of the market value in your area. This data empowers you to make informed decisions whether you're buying, selling, or investing.